today I'm going to tell you something about sentence stress, one of the advanced portions of the suprasegmentals of our voice quality training. Look at this sentence. Generally, a non-native speaker might read it like, I am going to give you a treat because I have got a promotion. Now, he's stressing on every single word here because he's not aware that English is a stress-timed language, not a syllable-timed language. Most Indian languages, in fact, I think most Asian languages are syllable-timed. A native speaker would do certain things to this sentence. Let's look at them. First, he's going to stress on certain major important words, technically called the content words. So in this sentence you have give, treat, got and promotion, the 4 content words. And the others are therefore the unimportant non-keywords, non-content words, or I'd like to call it the grammar words. Now, with these content words, there is what is known as a beat, because there's a rhythm in English language, and for rhythm, you need to have a beat. You know, what's a beat? So, between any 2 successive beats, the distance will be the same, and in this case, the distance will be counted in terms of the number of syllables. Now here you have 2 syllables between these 2 beats. Between this and this you have 4 syllables. Between this and this you have 1 syllable. We'll have to equalize them. This can't be reduced. So this can, however, be reduced. Because can be reduced to cause. I have can be contracted to I. And we'll of course be doing the third thing also, that's called de-stressing. So we have 2 syllables here. This will have to be increased a little bit, stretched a little bit to get that 2 syllable count. Obviously, therefore, this will also have to be dealt with. So we are going to contract I am to I'm, and going to is going to be reduced to gonna. So now, this will be normally read as, I'm going to give you a treat because I got a promotion. Now, look at it in the rhythm with the beats. It's going to be, I'm going to give you a treat because I got a promotion. That is the rhythm. The first earlier sentence that I said was the natural way of saying it. This is one of the exaggerated ways of saying it. You'll be learning the second way first, then the first way afterwards.
Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.